matter?
I don't know. I heard a noise.
What did you hear?
Oh, just wait here.
Be careful.
According to a recent uniform crime report issued by the United States Department of Justice, one murder occurred every 25 minutes. One forcible rape occurred every 6 minutes. One robbery every 58 seconds. One aggravated assault every 38 seconds. One burglary every 10 seconds. That's one violent crime every 21 seconds. One property crime every 3 seconds. Will you be ready?
Hello, my name is Randy Rubiera. On behalf of the staff at Gold Star Productions, I'd like to welcome you to this viewing of Handguns and Home Survival. What you're about to see is a very informative and realistic approach to the safe and proper use of your handgun to defend yourself and your loved ones during a criminal intrusion of your home. We believe that the proper instruction and training in handgun safety and shooting fundamentals, coupled with the viewing and critiquing of a number of realistic survival scenarios, will significantly increase your chances of surviving a life-threatening confrontation in your own home and avert a personal tragedy. Handguns and Home Survival was created by a group of dedicated law enforcement professionals who had the defensive needs of the average citizen in mind. Together, they boast a combined total of many decades of specialized service in both law enforcement and the military. Their skills and areas of expertise cover every conceivable facet of police work, from street patrol to undercover narcotics operations, from special weapons and tactics teams to public corruption investigations, and from hostage negotiations to high crime task force operations, and everything in between. One recurring theme throughout this presentation will be the critical issue of handgun safety. So before we continue, if you have a firearm in your presence now, please unload it and place it in a safe location until you've had an opportunity to completely and thoroughly review this entire videotape. At this point, I'd like you to ask yourself a very important question. If you should find yourself presented with a life-threatening situation sometime in the future, one that would require you to use your handgun against another human being, will you be physically and mentally able to follow through? If you have any doubts as to your ability to use the force necessary to stop an aggressor in a life-threatening situation, up to and including deadly force, then owning a handgun may not be in your best interest. The time for you to make a decision on this issue is before you become involved in a confrontation of this nature. Unwarranted hesitation or indecision on your part at the wrong time may allow an aggressor to take your handgun from you and use it against the very people you are trying to defend. Please think long and hard about this for your sake and the sake of your loved ones. However, if you do believe that you are physically and mentally able to use the force necessary to stop an aggressor who is about to seriously injure or kill you or another person, then we invite you to pay close attention to this program.